We are celebrating Hour of Code this month. So this month we have set up our transformation room to be a retro video game arcade where our students get exposure to different coding fundamentals, where they can kind of learn the basics of algorithms and binary code and all of the different pieces that make up their fundamental understanding of coding.
My favorite Hour of Code activity was probably the D-Box because it teaches you how to think a certain way so you can figure out problems.
The Mario station is like one of the funnest ones. It just shows you how to be creative and do a lot of different things.
I like the NB box because we coded it to see, to go to the end, because we use little colored mats to see which way it would go.
We know that all of our students learn so much better when they have a hands-on approach to learning, when they really get to experience whatever it is that they're trying to engage with material. And we wanted our students to have a way to practice their teamwork skills as well.